Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Photos and selecting the image with the edits you want to copy. You need the photo visible in edit mode so you can access the exact adjustments. Once in edit, review exposure, color, and any applied filters so you know what to transfer. Make sure both source and destination photos are in the same iCloud or device album for speed. Now tap the three-dot menu or the adjustments icon to expose the copy options and move to the next step. With the source photo open, tap the three-dot menu and choose Copy Edits. That copies sliders, filters, and crop. Once copied, select the photo or photos you want to change. Multiple selection speeds workflow. Open one target, tap Edit, then use the three-dot menu and choose Paste Edits. iOS applies the same values. If you selected multiple, you may need to paste individually or use batch editing where supported. This preserves the look while keeping original image data intact. After pasting, review each target and tweak exposure or color because different images need slight adjustments. When satisfied, tap Done to save the changes. Remember, Revert to Original is available if you want to undo. If Paste Edits doesn't appear or fails, close and reopen photos or recopy the edits. Sometimes the clipboard of edits times out. Make sure iOS is updated and images aren't locked by a third-party editor. Doing this ensures consistent.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.